To solve this real fast, what you need to do is to expand this, alright? So we have 2 times 100, it is something as 200, okay? Plus 2 times 25 all squared, alright? All over 3 root 2. And then we have the square root of 100 is 10. So we have 10 root 2 plus the square root of 25 as what? 5 root 2. And then what do we do next? We simply bring down 3 root 2, right? Now we add 10 and 5, and that will give us 15. So we have 15 root 2 all over 3 root 2. So at this point, this root 2 can cancel root 2. So we are left with 15 over 3. And 3 divide 15 will
Please
give
like
us,
and
this is 1,
subscribe.
and that is 5. So the final answer is 5. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Like and share the video. Thank you.